Welcome back, beautiful people. Today, we are diving into the incredible journey of a woman who's not just a beauty queen but an inspiring symbol of grace, strength, and dedication. Meet Prasad Daveen, the newly crowned Miss Universe Cambodia 2024, and the proud mother of a beautiful daughter. Daveen's journey is nothing short of remarkable, and as she gears up to represent Cambodia on the grand stage of the 73rd Miss Universe pageant in Mexico, we are here to celebrate her achievements, share her story, and cheer her on. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on stories that inspire. Prasad Daveen's rise to fame wasn't just about the glitz and glamour of pageantry. Her journey was paved with determination, advocacy, and a deep passion for empowering women. As a mother, she's balanced the demands of parenthood with her responsibilities as a public figure, making her an inspiring role model for women everywhere. Her participation in the Miss Universe Cambodia 2024 competition was a significant milestone. The competition was fierce, with numerous talented women vying for the crown. However, Daveen's poise, intelligence, and commitment to social causes set her apart. The judges recognized her potential, and she was crowned Miss Universe Cambodia 2024, a title that now propels her onto the international stage. Miss Universe isn't just about beauty, it's about showcasing the culture, values, and strengths of women from around the world. For Daveen, this platform is an opportunity to highlight Cambodia's rich heritage and advocate for causes close to her heart, including women's empowerment and education. As Miss Universe Cambodia, Daveen will compete in the 73rd Miss Universe pageant, set to take place in Mexico City on 16 November 2024. The event is one of the most anticipated in the pageant world, with contestants from across the globe showcasing their beauty, talent, and intellect. Prasad Daveen is no stranger to the international stage. Earlier in 2023, she made history as the first Cambodian woman to participate in the Universal Women 2023 beauty pageant in Dubai, where she secured the 4th runner-up position. This achievement not only brought pride to Cambodia but also established Daveen as a force to be reckoned with in the world of pageantry. Her success in Dubai was a testament to her hard work, perseverance, and the unwavering support of those who believed in her. Now, as she prepares to step onto the global stage once again, Daveen is focused on making a difference. She plans to use her platform to address critical social issues, particularly those affecting women and children, and to bring global attention to Cambodia's unique culture. The excitement in Cambodia is palpable as the nation eagerly anticipates Daveen's participation in Miss Universe 2024. With her recent success and growing popularity, she is poised to make a significant impact. The journey to the crown is challenging, but with her grace, intelligence, and passion, Daveen is more than ready to take on the world. In preparation for the competition, Daveen is focusing on her advocacy work, refining her public speaking skills, and working with experts to perfect every aspect of her performance. The stakes are high, but so are the rewards, and Daveen is committed to making Cambodia proud. The 73rd Miss Universe pageant will be held at the Arena CDMX in Mexico City, a location steeped in history and culture. On 16 November 2024, the world will watch as contestants from every corner of the globe compete for the coveted Miss Universe title. The reigning Miss Universe, Shanice Palacios of Nicaragua, will crown her successor in what promises to be a spectacular event. Mexico last hosted the pageant in 2007, and the return of Miss Universe to this vibrant country has added an extra layer of excitement to the competition. Preliminary rounds will take place on 14th November, with the coronation set for 16th November. One of the most remarkable aspects of Prasad Daveen's journey is her ability to balance her demanding career with her role as a mother. Raising her beautiful daughter while pursuing her dreams in pageantry is no small feat. Yet, Davine has managed to excel in both roles, proving that women can indeed have it all. Her daughter is her biggest motivation, and Davine often speaks about the importance of setting a positive example for her. Through her actions, she hopes to inspire her daughter and other young girls to pursue their dreams, no matter the obstacles they may face. Prasad Davine's story is one of resilience, determination, and grace. As she prepares to represent Cambodia at Miss Universe 2024, she carries the hopes and dreams of an entire nation on her shoulders. Her journey is a testament to the power of hard work and the importance of staying true to oneself. So, will Prasad Davine be the one to bring home the Miss Universe crown? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: she's already a winner in the eyes of Cambodia and the world. Personal life: proud mother of one beautiful daughter. Upcoming event: representing Cambodia at the 73rd Miss Universe pageant in Mexico on 16th November 2024. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more inspiring stories from around the world. If you're as excited as we are about Davine's journey, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more updates on her road to Miss Universe 2024. Let's cheer her on together as she makes history.